the Bentley, but we're doing the passenger side this time, and already it has been light years easier than the driver's side. I'm one of those people that likes to get the hard sides over with. I always want to like get the hard stuff over with so I can enjoy like the easy life, which I'm still waiting for that. But anyways, let's get into it, and while you're here, please like and subscribe. If you missed the previous video, I'll link it here. But, ooh, it's cold. Let's go. Cold, I'm too sick, my hands hurt, I'm hungry, I gotta go to the bathroom, I need new shoes. Those are the laundry list of excuses that I've been giving myself for not doing the passenger side of the Bentley suspension yet. I think the real reason I've been reluctant to start is because the driver's side was so seized. It was such hell to get the lower ball joint control arm released. Whatever, that's in the past and this is the present. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright, wish me luck. And just for good measure, even though I'm working on a Bentley, I got my Mustang t-shirt and my Camaro hoodie for good luck, because I'm really superstitious. So I got the power. The power! I got the power! Let's go! So the first thing to do was put it into jack mode. So it's in jack mode and there's 2 tire tracks behind it for precaution. For now, I'm just gonna lift it enough to take the wheel off and take the center cap off, and then I'm gonna put the wheel back on, and then I'm gonna take that center axle bolt out. Sheesh. Coil, K-oil. Weird that it just came out. The other one was really stuck in there. Oh, and in case you're wondering, it's a 19. I feel like I could what is it? When you cow prod? Trod? Suspicious. On the other side, I had to take the rotor and the brake caliper off, but I'm gonna try my luck. I don't think I need to. Famous last words. We'll undo the ride height sensor. Now we'll take out the, we'll let the air out of the air strut. Now we can remove the lower strut mounting bolt. It's an 18. So we'll go ahead and undo the lower control arm nut now. So there are 3 mounting bolts up here, and they are those triple square, double square, whatever, M12. I got this at Harbor Freight, and it's really pretty nifty. So these are them. There's 3 of them. Let's put them in a safe place. So we're going to take the lower forward control arm out now. Sometimes I wait to go to I wait to pee until I'm like on death's door, and then I'm hungry, I'm dehydrated, and then I start making really bad decisions. What I should have done in the beginning, and I just thought I could get around it, is I should have just taken off the rotor and the brake caliper. I know I can get around it, but it's weighing down everything, so I'm gonna take it off. Dinosaur bone. Behold, this is the empty cavity. So the driver's side had taken me 3 or 4 days to get completely emptied out because of that seized lower control arm. This side, it was about 2.5 to 3 hours start to finish just to disassemble everything. But it all came out, no strip bolts, no heartbreak, no fire, no brimstone. So we've got the rearward lower control arm out, the forward lower control arm out, and the sway bar end link. I still need to remove this bushing. I'll remove it tomorrow. and I'll prepare all the components and start the installation. So, passenger side, looking good, looking really good. Very successful. I feel good. It wasn't even cold, it was a nice day. I'm rambling now. So the hardest part out of the whole disassembly, I think, was just the fact that I was so dumb and I didn't want to take that rotor off and the caliper off. And I had to do it after I had already released it from the top knuckle. I don't know what kind of freaky deaky wacky dacky shortcuts I thought I was gonna take, but that was a dumb move. Sometimes I do things that just make the job harder. I mean, including just like having to pee or be dehydrated, and I just don't want to get up and do things because I'm so focused, but it actually makes it harder. Anyways, I don't want to ramble, but thank you so much for watching, and we'll be back next week to finish the job with all new components, and then we're going to go for yet another test drive and then find what else is wrong with it and then fix that too. And round we go. Alright, thank you so much. Bye. So it's not often that I buy things that are not car related, but this is kind of car related, I guess. I got the Ray-Ban Meta glasses. I've got really good reason. Now, these are 400 bucks. You can record up to like 3 minutes. I didn't get them for style, but imagine I can wear these as safety goggles. I can record like what I'm doing, so I have an extra camera. So like when I go into Harbor Freight and I look around, I don't want to be a dork with my camera, with my phone out. I can just click the button, and for 3 minutes I can like record all the excitement of Harbor Freight. But Harbor Freight aside, when I'm doing close-up videos in the car, I can use these and get some great shots. So I was so stoked, and the quality is amazing. Very excited. Now that's one of the great things about them. The other great thing about them is she knows everything. So I was sitting here and I was like, you know, what's the average cost of a mid-90s Chevy long bed truck? She says, well, depending on mileage and condition and location, they range anywhere between $2,000 to $15,000, $17,000. And it was like, that's exactly what I had found out myself. So I asked all these questions that I already knew the answers to, not just like, you know, what day it is or something like that, like hard-hitting questions, like torque specs, like curb weights, all that stuff. And this is another great thing, is like if I have a question or I need to like look something up, I don't have to take my gloves off or like get my phone all greasy while I look it up. These are so incredible. Like, I can say, check this out. I wish you could hear it. Hey Meta, what is this? It said, this is a digital caliper, a tool to measure the points between a distance, something like that. She just told me exactly what that is. I know it's not crazy, but it's really cool. I feel like I'm living in the future. Remember, like, I was around when AOL was around, you know, and dial-up internet, like, so it's pretty darn spectacular, if you catch my drift.